Okay, so I'm sharing my desktop. Nothing special. I'm just using Python. But before talking about anything, I'm going to just run it. I'm actually using a second camera. And so it's tracking my hands.
Wow.
Look at my thumb.
I was like, that's pink.
Before I shut down, you see there's a frame rate in the side.
I also see there's something on your neck.
There you go.
There it is.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah. So it's like a chest burster from Aliens is like lurking in there.
There you go. Let me see if I can fix that.
So can you record and plot this data?
Yes. So this is my program. I'm detecting motions and all the stuff here. And since we are actually want to change, let's say it's going for the tip of my thumb, I'm going to change it to go to the second knuckle. So let me just do this. I'll stop the program. Oh, you draw something, Steven. Look at you.
I thought we were highlighting that.
Okay. Oh, thank you. Yeah.
I don't know how to make it go away.
So I can change my knuckle. I can say go to the third knuckle.
Steven, did you do sudo rmrf on his machine?
I didn't.
Recursive?
No.
No, and I'm not going to remove anything.
Now it's going to the second knuckle, third. So
wow.
Okay. The let's say, where else can I make? I can take things off. I don't want hand connect, so maybe I'll do this.
What is this library?
So I imported this library called mediapipe. Yep. So you do have to install it through pip. So and there's a pip install mediapipe.
You're using a package manager? That's too much.
Yes. I think I started here. Now I took the line, basically.
Is this PyCharm? Are you on PyCharm?
I'm in PyCharm, yes.
Nice.
Yeah. So, and actually there's frame rate and all this stuff. My next thing is to make a class. So here, I just want to make a class called hand detect. It had fine hand definition. There's a while loop. But I haven't finished the class yet. So that's probably going to be my homework for tonight.
Very cool.